So the next way to become a cloud computing millionaire is developing cloud-centric niche skills that are needed now and in high demand. And so this is a matter of you looking into the market. For example, agentic AI and generative AI, that are big hot skills to have in the cloud computing market now. Aligning your skills to have those skills, in other words, knowledge to back up the gigs, and your ability to sell yourself as someone who's able to provide core expertise in those particular niche opportunities. And they're normally able to pay you above market if you're able to do that. So sometimes that's just going to be an AI-based systems and people are paying, multiple times what they would normally pay for cloud computing skills for people who know how to build agentic AI systems in the cloud or generative AI systems in the cloud. Cybersecurity, for example, is a niche skill. And really, it's a matter of you looking into the market and seeing what's coming and seeing what's going to be a hot space and aligning your skills and training yourself to align to that hot space. And in other words, being a continuous learner and figuring out how your skills can match up to the market so you can make the most amount of money. And so obviously you're going to do that in working for consulting firms or working for businesses themselves. Any number of people that are willing to hire you to do these sorts of things. It may be a consulting role or it may be an employee role, but you're able to make the money because you have the skills that are in high demand that are very scarce out there. So obviously the risk would be you align yourself into something that's not necessarily as in demand. And so you make the bet that you're going to move into a particular skill set and suddenly it's not that big a deal in a couple of years and you're not able to sell those skills for as much as you thought they would be. But some skills are, going to be hot skills for a long period of time. Our cloud architects who deal with multi-cloud scenarios, cloud architects who can do AI, particular certifications that seem to stand out. People who have an AWS certified solutions architect, for example, or Azure solutions architect expert, Google professional architect. Those are certifications that are going to be in high demand. It would be an example of a niche skill that's going to get you some additional money. Developing FinOps, Kubernetes, AI, ML, machine learning, and artificial intelligence expertise, and your ability to